Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I get my hair nice and sleek, please keep on watching. Okay, yeah.
Love you like Congo. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like Congo. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of your.
Why you show me that and that my combo? I want to see you comb me ear like a girl. Alright, I'm ready now. I'm ready like Freddy. Watch out. What's it that? Hey. You know you got somewhere. You're ready for fix up a nice and thing. Hey, trouble did it. So, I'm using a big teeth comb or a white teeth comb to comb out my hair. Yes, guys, I'm combing out my hair. Yeah. Watch how the comb and stick. Just not say me you want balling but me I look up on the camera so I say no Candice, hold it. You don't afraid of here. Right here. Alright now, so now I'm going to part my hair to the desired parting that you want. You can do center part, you can do side part, you can do no part, any part you want. So I was doing a side part. I mentally said this give me hell. Like, I don't know, maybe I do a video but like it gives me hell. Just watch me, I do it over and over again. Finally, oh lord. So guys, I'm twisting that part for no reason. If you have a lot of hair on your head, then you can do it section by section. Watch out. When I call it, I'm going to have a kerchief on my shoulder. As one I did today, you can, as I was saying, you can twist your hair and do it section by section. But I have a little bit of hair, so I can do everything in one, all in one. You see it? So yeah. But I never have none for this, so I'm gonna put a big twist right there. So. And you know with 4C hair it knots easily, so I have to comb back out my hair. If you don't like to comb out your hair, then I suggest that you twist it or plait it so that it won't knot again. Okay, so yeah, so I'm combing out my hair and then I'ma catch it up. I'ma put it in a knot where I want it to be. Okay, look at me now. No reason to twist it. So I'm going to brush my hair into the desired part that I want it to go, and then I'm going to just use a scrunchie and mat it up. Yes, use a scrunchie and mat it up. It still not look like my hair comb out, you know, but we'll work with it. So now we're going to be using the big bad, the greatest GOAT Eco. Look there. Eco. Yeah. Me just love smell chemicals, guys. Don't smell chemicals. It's not good. It is not good for you. Yes. So now I'm just going to put the Eco gel on my hair, and then I'm going to brush it back and catch it up over nice and neat. Okay. Yes. Here's the 1, 2. I know I think I'm gone, but I don't really think that I'm gonna go without my edges. You're mad, you're crazy, you're sick. No. So guys, I'm going to be doing my edges with my toothbrush, official toothbrush, and my Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue? Not Gorilla Glue, Gorilla Snot. Yeah, Gorilla Snot. So I use the same Gorilla Snot and put it on top of my hair. So just keep down any flyaways. Yes. Yes, my still a look. Now I have mousse, guys. Watch me. Nothing to do. Now it is time to use the handkerchief, guys. So I'm going to use the kerchief to tie down my hair. Yo, if I fall one more time, I'm going to use the kerchief to tie down my hair, guys, and do the doops, and then get on with my day. Yes, and y'all know I gotta fix my sideburns. You can give them like a curl, yeah. Like a curl and nice up the thing. Yeah, like a curl. No sense. Yeah, sing a song. Hey. So I'm gonna come back ready to rock. I have 2 clips to put in my hair. My favorite color, watch me, full line duck. So I'm going to take off the handkerchief, drop them in, take 2 pictures, and yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you want me to do more hairstyle, comment them down below. If you're new, please subscribe to the channel, because over here, sir, I have a buzz. Remember to like the video, remember to share, tell a friend, tell a auntie, because you know we're close to 1K subs. Bop. Yes, guys, and comment other video ideas that you want me to do. Yes, please. And I'm out, you know. Yeah, the done out. No, the done out. Later.